Hi, in this video we're gonna fix a problem on your MacBook with the Bluetooth pen has self-assigned IP address and will not be able to connect to the internet. Let's see how you can fix this problem on your MacBook. Now on the mobile device that you are sharing your internet connection or Bluetooth tethering, make sure that you are connected to the device. So here I'm connected, my MacBook Pro to this mobile device, and also you want to make sure personal hotspot is switched on, so make sure it is switched on. Once it is switched on, now we go to the MacBook and check it out. Okay, on your MacBook Pro, try to close that, click on the Wi-Fi icon, click on Open Network Preferences, then click on Bluetooth pen. Now we click on Advanced. In the config IPv6, choose link local only. Click on OK. Then click on Apply. Now just wait for a little while. Now if it's still not gone green, click on Advanced again. Click on DNS and make sure that DNS has some kind of information in here. If there are no information in this DNS, then that means there is a problem and we need to fix it. Now what you can do is this. You can try to remove it. So click on the remove button down here and click on yes. Then click on the add button again. Now we choose Bluetooth pen. Click on create. So it's not connected, that's fine. We're going to advanced and then choose that. Click on renew lease and click on apply, then click on OK. Now you want to click on advanced and make sure you choose link local only. Again, click on OK, click on apply button. Now on your mobile device you may need to switch off your Bluetooth and then switch back on and then reconnect. So tap on your device to reconnect, and here click on advanced. Make sure that DNS has some kind of info. If there's no info DNS, then that's when you may still have a problem with connecting to the internet. Now if doing all of that and you still have a problem, restart your computer. So click on restart. Click on restart here, and that will restart your MacBook your MacBook Pro. Okay, the computer is restarted. Once the computer has restarted, make sure that you connect to Bluetooth again. So on my device, I'm going to reconnect. Okay, hopefully after you're restarting your computer, it should work again. Now you can see if you go back into network settings in Bluetooth pen, if you click on advanced, now you can see in DNS there is a number right here. Now if there is no number, then it will not work. So unless there is a DNS server number right here, then it will not work. And that's it. So now I have a proper IP address with router number and DNS number. My internet now start working correctly. And you can see I'm using my Bluetooth connection from my mobile device and not through Wi-Fi. And that's it. So hopefully that will fix it for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.